Share my torment. Edict of death. Torment. A tower falls. Fall by my edict. Damnation. Damnation. Blasting nova. Impure impulse. Ha! He! Ka! Sho! Sha! Na! Sho! Sai! Nova! I crack the bones of earth. Split asunder. Enemy of earth. Soiled. Earth's revenge. The spark ignites a storm. Lightning strike. Strike down. Strike them. Ignite them. Attack! Attack! I purge. A blight on the land. Expurgation. Defilement. Your form debases. Imbalance demands it. Woe to you. No match. I blast the land. I come to tip the balance. Blink dagger. Blink blade. To a future of grief. Bottled into the bottle. A foregone conclusion. Inescapable. I charge in. Cry wizard. No. Oh, impurities. My spark fades. To solitude I return. I despair. Even death reviles me. The impurifier. Purified. To nature's foulest cloister, I return. A natural death. Who'll purge the elements now? I am humbled. Tormented no more. Denied. Not for you. Denied. Not for you. Not for you. No. Reviled. Villainy. Impious. Impure. Impugned. Unworthy. I'll take that. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Double damage. Doubly desolate. Double desolation. My return is imminent. First blood. This is well begun. Haste. Swiftly out of balance. Illusion. Thrice the torment. Immortality. Beyond the reach of death. I suppose it's in the bag. Invisibility. All fears fading. Sphere. Shiva's guard. Sheepstick. Arcane boots. Scoured. Reviled. Sweet ablution. Your elements purged. Your form returns from whence it came. Back to the impurities. See nature's blasted core. Reduced to your elements. You merge with the impurities. Your desolation and the world's are one. 1,000 of your kind have fallen before me. Out with you and your spark. Have a little humility. My gold now. A tithe to the impurities. Cleansed of your gold. You'll not need that. Be humbled. Elemental gold. Golden opportunity. Two-legged abomination. Two-legged freak. My power grows. My strength increases. By the impure powers of nature, an evil wind rises. Tainted waters give me strength. Sinister energies. Stronger than the brittle earth. No! Defeated! Torments never ending! Yes. 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 Very well. To the fight. Directly. Indeed. Cruelly so. Desolation. Forward. Trot along. Such disorder. So be it. By the impurities. Despair. All is chaos. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Out of mana. No mana. Not enough mana. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Not yet. I'm not ready. It's not time yet. Oh. 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 All in service to imbalance. I have been waiting for this. A small enough price to pay. An end to it all is all I desire, that I might learn what worse mysteries the impurities veil. The truth of nature is torment, suffering, and decay. But only the wisest see this, which is to say, only Leshrac. Every moment of existence is a torment to me, and to all others, if only they saw the truth. Regeneration! Impurities ever replenishing. My elements realign. The impurities unite in me. The impure elements distilled to their essence. Reconstituted. Guardian of the impurities, I return. An unnatural life, but I'll take it. Nature's darkest agent and a return to form. Life from witless elements. I shall restore the imbalance. Enchantress, you're a disgrace to 4 legs. Park, we're both strangers in this strange land. Anti-mage, you couldn't blink away from that one. Ah, Scepter. Scepter at last. Shitty wizard. Leshrac. I kneel to no one. By the impurities I come. The elements of my nature are in torment. Thanks. My gratitude. I'm under attack. To me, I'm under attack. Yes. Victory. Ah-ha-ha! A world out of balance.